If you're trying to place an order on Pop Mart and suddenly hit the error 500, unable to process order, don't panic. This issue is surprisingly common in 2025, and the good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the fastest and most reliable methods to get Pop Mart working again so you can complete your purchase without the headache. Let's start with one of the simplest solutions, and honestly, the one that works most often: signing out and signing back in. Open your Pop Mart app, log out of your account, wait a few seconds, and then log back in. A quick reset like this can refresh your session and clear temporary glitches that trigger the 500 error. If the problem is still there, don't worry. We'll level up our fix. Head into your phone's settings and search for storage. Tap on iPhone storage or Android storage depending on your device. Scroll until you find Pop Mart, then open it. Here, you'll see an option to offload app on iPhone or clear cache on Android. Choose that. This won't delete your account or personal data. It simply refreshes the app's core files and clears any corrupted data that could be causing the error. Still no luck? There's one more fix that often gets overlooked: your internet connection. Error 500 can appear when the app can't communicate properly with the server, so try switching your connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi. A quick network change can instantly restore the connection and resolve the error. After trying these methods, your app should be working smoothly again, and you can finally complete that order. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.